Habits are the invisible architecture of our lives. They define how we spend our days, and in turn, how we shape our future. Creating productive habits isn't just a matter of willpower, it's a deliberate process that builds the foundation for success, growth, and a fulfilling life. As the renowned personal development icon Jim Rohn once said, "Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day." This statement encapsulates the transformative power of routine and the discipline required to stick to it. But why focus on a 21-day time frame? Science suggests that it takes approximately 21 days to form a habit, making it a practical period to initiate change. This time frame allows you to rewire your mindset, develop positive routines, and take control of your daily activities. Whether your goal is improving productivity, embracing self-care, or achieving long-term success, a mindful approach to habits can lead to life-changing results. In this article, we will explore how to create productive habits in 21 days by combining Jim Rohn's timeless principles with actionable strategies. You'll learn how to set achievable goals, build motivation, and practice discipline, all while focusing on your personal growth. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to transform your habits and unlock your potential for a healthier, happier, and more successful life. Whether it's mastering your morning routine, staying consistent with your goals, or cultivating mindfulness, these steps will guide you toward lasting positive change. Let's dive into the art and science of habit formation and discover how 21 days can set the stage for a lifetime of productivity and success. Main content 1. Understanding the role of habits. Habits form the core of our daily existence. They are the small, repeated actions that accumulate over time, shaping the trajectory of our lives. Jim Rohn aptly said, "Motivation gets you started, but habit keeps you going." This emphasizes the lasting power of routines in maintaining productivity and driving personal growth. By focusing on developing positive habits, you create a structure that simplifies your day, reduces decision fatigue, and boosts your overall productivity. For example, establishing a healthy morning routine, such as practicing mindfulness or engaging in self-care, sets the tone for a successful day. Small actions, like spending 5 minutes reflecting on your goals or planning your day, can create a ripple effect, leading to significant progress over time. However, not all habits are beneficial. Negative routines can derail your focus, motivation, and success. Identifying and replacing unproductive behaviors with positive ones is essential for fostering long-term growth. As Rohn noted, success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day, while failure is simply a few errors in judgment repeated daily. 2. Setting clear goals. Before you can build productive habits, clarity about your goals is crucial. Without a clear direction, even the best routines may lack purpose. Jim Rohn stressed, "Goals. There's no telling what you can do when you get inspired by them. There's no telling what you can do when you believe in them." Start by defining specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," specify, "I will dedicate 30 minutes each morning to exercise for the next 21 days." A clear goal provides focus and ensures you remain committed to your habit formation journey. Visualization is another powerful tool. Imagine the benefits your new habits will bring to your life. Picture yourself waking up energized, following a structured morning routine, and ending each day feeling accomplished. This mental exercise helps reinforce your motivation and aligns your actions with your desired outcomes. Additionally, write down your goals and keep them visible. This constant reminder reinforces your commitment and helps you stay disciplined, even when faced with distractions or challenges. Remember, as Rohn said, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. By setting clear goals, you not only define what you want to achieve, but also establish the foundation for creating habits that support your success. Each goal becomes a stepping stone toward positive change, growth, and a fulfilling life. Number 3. Breaking down the 21-day process. Building productive habits in 21 days requires structure and persistence. This time frame is divided into 3 key phases: initiation, momentum, and consolidation. Each phase has specific goals to ensure your habits take root and become second nature. A. Week 1. Initiation phase. The first week is all about overcoming resistance and establishing your new habit. This phase often feels the hardest because you're challenging existing routines. Start small. Focus on one manageable habit, such as journaling for 5 minutes every morning, or practicing mindfulness before bed. To strengthen your commitment, set reminders. Use alarms, sticky notes, or habit tracking apps to prompt you. Leverage accountability. Share your goals with a friend or mentor who can encourage you to stay on track. Create an environment for success. Remove distractions and set up spaces that support your habit, like a tidy desk for writing or a yoga mat for morning exercise. Week 2, momentum phase. By the second week, your new habit begins to feel more natural, but consistency is key to maintaining momentum. The focus here is on reinforcing positive behaviors and avoiding setbacks. Track progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your daily practice. Celebrate small victories, such as completing 5 consecutive days. Reframe challenges. Treat slip-ups as opportunities to learn rather than failures. Reflect on what caused the lapse and adjust your strategy. Visualize success. Remind yourself of the long-term benefits, whether it's increased productivity, a healthier lifestyle, or achieving your goals. Week 3, consolidation phase. In the final week, your habit begins to solidify into a routine. The effort feels less forced, and you start to notice positive changes in your life. However, this is also when complacency can creep in. Stay mindful. Continue tracking your progress and revisit your goals to stay aligned. Adjust and adapt. As the habit becomes part of your life, find ways to improve or expand it. For instance, if you started with 10 minutes of morning exercise, consider increasing to 15 minutes. Celebrate milestones. Acknowledge your achievement in completing 21 days. Reward yourself with something meaningful to reinforce your success. By breaking down the process into these manageable steps, you can focus on daily growth, stay motivated, and transform small efforts into lasting habits. 4. Overcoming challenges. Creating new habits isn't always smooth sailing. Challenges like procrastination, lack of motivation, and distractions can hinder progress. However, these obstacles are part of the process and can be overcome with the right strategies. Identify and address triggers. Many bad habits are tied to specific triggers. For instance, mindless scrolling on your phone may occur when you feel bored or overwhelmed. Recognize these triggers and replace the negative habit with a positive one, such as reading or journaling. Practice self-compassion. Change takes time, and setbacks are normal. Be kind to yourself when you stumble. Instead of dwelling on mistakes, focus on restarting and moving forward. Jim Rohn's advice is timeless. How long should you try? Until. Build a support system. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth. Share your goals with family, friends, or a mentor who can help you stay accountable and motivated. Positive reinforcement from others can bolster your discipline and determination. Reignite motivation. If your enthusiasm wanes, reconnect with your why. Why did you start this habit? How does it align with your vision for success and personal growth? Revisiting these questions can help reignite your motivation. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection isn't the goal, consistency is. Even small steps forward contribute to long-term growth. Jim Rohn's philosophy reminds us that success is built on daily disciplines, not grand gestures. By anticipating challenges and implementing proactive strategies, you can navigate obstacles and stay committed to your 21-day journey toward positive change and lasting habits. 5. The power of environment. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your habits. The spaces you occupy, the people you interact with, and the tools you use can either support or hinder your progress. Crafting a supportive environment ensures that your efforts to build productive habits remain consistent and effective. Designing a physical environment for success. Simplify your surroundings. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Organize your workspace or home to reflect the habits you wish to adopt. For instance, if your goal is to journal daily, keep your notebook and pen visible and accessible. Create habit-friendly cues. Set up visual reminders that encourage action. A gym bag by the door signals your commitment to exercise, while a water bottle on your desk promotes hydration. Remove distractions. Limit triggers for negative habits. Turn off unnecessary notifications or create designated zones for focused work. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people around you can significantly impact your ability to build and maintain habits. Find accountability partners. Connect with individuals who share similar goals. They can encourage you to stay disciplined and celebrate your progress. Seek inspiration. Learn from mentors or motivational content, such as books, podcasts, or videos by figures like Jim Rohn, to keep your mindset focused on growth. Distance from negativity. Reduce time spent with those who discourage or undermine your goals. Instead, prioritize relationships that align with your vision for a successful life. Leverage tools and technology. Use tools to simplify habit formation. Habit tracking apps like Habitica or Streaks can gamify the process and keep you engaged. Smart devices can automate reminders for tasks, ensuring consistency in your routine. Tools like noise-canceling headphones can help maintain focus and productivity. By designing an environment that aligns with your goals, you make it easier to adopt positive routines, fostering discipline and motivation in your 21-day journey. Number 6. Motivation and discipline. Motivation may spark action, but discipline ensures its continuity. Building productive habits requires balancing the initial excitement of starting something new with the ongoing commitment to sustain it. Jim Rohn emphasized this dynamic when he said, "Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment." Fueling your motivation. Connect with your purpose. Remind yourself why you're forming a habit. Whether it's achieving personal growth, improving productivity, or fostering self-care, a clear why drives persistence. Visualize success. Picture the outcomes of your efforts: a healthier body, a more organized life, or greater professional success. Visualization reinforces belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledging progress keeps you motivated. Each milestone achieved, no matter how small, builds confidence and reinforces your commitment. Building discipline for long-term success. Start with small steps. Discipline grows with practice. Begin with manageable tasks, such as a 5-minute mindfulness session or committing to one positive habit per week. Anchor habits. Link new habits to existing routines. For example, after brushing your teeth, spend 5 minutes reviewing your goals for the day. This technique, known as habit stacking, ensures consistency. Embrace the power of consistency. Discipline is cultivated through repetition. Stick to your habit daily, even when motivation wanes. Over time, consistency transforms effort into routine. Dealing with setbacks. Setbacks are part of the journey, but they don't define your success. Reflect on what caused the lapse and adjust your strategy. Focus on the progress you've made rather than the mistake. Remember Rohn's advice: don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. Use challenges as opportunities for growth. By combining motivation with discipline, you can sustain your efforts and ensure that your 21-day habit formation process leads to meaningful, lasting change. As you continue to practice and refine your routines, you'll find yourself closer to your Vision 7. Sustaining habits beyond 21 days. Forming a habit in 21 days is only the beginning. The real transformation occurs when you sustain these habits and allow them to evolve into a natural part of your lifestyle. To ensure long-term success, you must remain committed to consistency, adapt to new challenges, and seek continual growth. Integrate habits into your lifestyle. Make it automatic. Over time, your new habits should become as natural as brushing your teeth. The less conscious effort required, the more ingrained they become in your daily routine. Build on existing habits. Use habit stacking to anchor new behaviors to established routines. For example, after your morning coffee, you might spend 10 minutes reading or journaling. Adapt and refine. Life is dynamic, and your habits should reflect that flexibility.